Hello YouTubers and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video review of AliExpress products I will unbox 4 of them, and the first one is this. But the time I got the package they removed the listing and they add a new one, but this time includes a charger, and I don't think so that I got the charger, I got only the batteries. And this model is 26650 3.7 volts rechargeable battery with 5000 milliamperes. Yes, this is not 18650 batteries, these are 26650 model with 5000 milliamperes, and I paid around $20, and this is much cheaper. And also they include a charger, so 4 pieces plus charger, $17. Move. Oh, bubbles. But why they are not? They are empty. Oh no, they have still air. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take a look how big they are. Just to compare, this is 18650, this is 26650. There is a big difference. These batteries are with 2000 or 3000 milliamperes. This is the big monster with 5000 milliamperes, 3.7 volts, 18.5 watt hours, and it's pretty heavy. I'm gonna make a powerful power bank. I will get 3.7 volts and 20 amperes. Oh, the ordinary 86050 weighs around 44 grams, and this one 80 grams. Alright. So 18650 is 65 millimeters long by, of course, 18 millimeters, and this one is 65 millimeters by, what you say, by 26. That's why it's called 26650. I love them. Ooh, big. I need to make some tests and experiments using these cells, and after testing I will shoot another video where I will tell you what I think about these, but I'm pretty sure they are pretty good. I'm gonna test the capacity, and that's it. Let's open another package now. Maybe this one. And I already bought one product just like this one, and it cost around $12, and I needed one more for my friend, so that's why I ordered the second one. And what is it? It's a Class AB digital power amplifier with LED display with volume tone. Also support TF card, USB port, we have Bluetooth, and the amplifier is 2 times by 30 watts. No bubbles! Oh, why? Hi-fi audio amplifier. Alright. We have the power cable. Instruction manual. Alright. Oh, here it is, the remote control. Alright. Take a look at this beauty. And it's not expensive. It's from metal, it's not plastic. By the way, I have a full video review of this product, and you can watch it. There will be link in description below, so you can check that video. Also a purchase link on AliExpress. and this thing is awesome. Alright, just to remind you, also it have a FM receiver, that's why is this antenna. On the back we have outputs for the left and right speaker. Also we have audio input. Right here go the DC input power jack, that is this cable. And in front we have, right here we have the volume, and this is the tone for the bass and treble. 4 buttons for previous, next, play, pause and mode. TF card and USB for memory. It's nice. Alright. Next product. This product that I found on AliExpress is pretty useful. And it's a light bulb, but with motion sensor. It comes with this base E27 or B1222. You can choose warm white or white light, and the price is around $2.7 US. And what is it? It's a motion sensor LED light bulb, motion activated. Dusk to dawn indoor outdoor LED light bulb. For garage, for front door, porch, whatever you want. I ordered 2 pieces, and of course I got them. And yes, they are motion activated light bulbs. These are, I think, what it says, warm white, 9 watts with peer motion sensor, which is beautiful. They will save energy. They will not be turned on all the time. Just only when the motion is detected will turn on for 30 seconds and then turn it off. And when will they detect another motion will turn on. Beautiful. And that is the way of saving energy. Yes. And now it's working. It's waiting for motion. But it won't turn on in daylight. And it needs to detect darkness plus motion, so can we turn it on. Beautiful. Does it? The second one works? Come on, man. Yes. Beautiful. Only when darkness is detected will turn on and motion. Beautiful. And take a look. And beside the ordinary LEDs, these are warm white, we have the peer motion sensor for detecting motion, of course. Alright, the link will be in description below so you can check it. Nice. This will save energy. And starting from $1 and it's going up to $6 depend on where you are living, you can order a module like this one. It's a ATX PSU to modular power distribution board with 8 USB ports. Also you have output for 12, for 5, for 3.3 volts connectors. And this module is pretty awesome. I have already once ordered it, but I needed one more. And I got it. So it's a board for power supply unit from PC computers. Here you can hook up the main power socket and you will get 8 USB ports. By the way, you will get also 12 volts, negative 12 volts, positive 5 volts ground, 3.3 volts ground. Also you can check remote controls on this infrared remote sensor. You have the main power switch here, and here it is, my very old PC power supply. I'm gonna hook up. Come on, what is the problem? Maybe this way? Yes. And yes, we have a green light, meaning that it's working. And when I press the push button, activates the PSU power supply from the PC computer, and we have LEDs for indicating all the voltages. Nice! Also, I have a full video for this. You can check that in description below. And this is great module for the price. Using old power supply PC unit, and this module you can make a DIY power supply with different voltages. Nice! Turning off. The green LED still indicates that it's power on. That is getting power from the power supply. Nice, nice. Alright. All the links for the products that you see in this video will be in the description below, so you can check it. And by the way, that was all for today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!